Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing reinforcement learning, but nothing too serious. If you guys want other videos and you guys can apply this to this, like my last video, feel free. Apply the code as necessary. In fact, I'll get into that in a second. But this is Acrobot, just so you guys know. Basically, you're supposed to be doing acrobatics. This is kind of just for fun. We don't get too much into deep Q learning, although you can apply my previous video with mountain car to this. Also, check out my other video that's very in depth for a taxi dropping people off with very few time steps and visualized just like this. Very few penalties as well. Check out my other video for blackjack, teaching them to beat the dealer at blackjack, and also the pole standing up straight. Uh, Also, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, feel free to check out my other videos. I got ML pipelines. I've got all kinds of stuff. Okay, guys, now let's get into this. Before we get into this, and just so you know, let's get into this first. Okay, so install these libraries. If you guys want to play some of these other games, you guys got to install Fujiko and a couple other libraries, Box2D as well, for some of these. Check out some of my videos have some of this code right here for some of these games. Okay, and you pass that parameter right here as needed, to play that game, load it into this environment with Jim. Anyways, guys, import these libraries, and this is to see the registry of all the available games. Just remember, Miss Pac-Man is not in here. Blackjack is one of my other games. Also, Cart Pole, and also the Taxi V3. Also see Mountain Car as well, my last one with Deep Q. You guys can apply the code to this as needed as well, if you guys want to get more serious about acrobatic. Anyways, guys, remember, reinforcement learning is basically a program within a program. Basically, you penalize and reward the RL agent into completing his task. Although Monte Carlo, and then there's Markov's decision process, a couple of the approaches. And just so you know, Markov's decision process is where all things want to go to a state of rest, just like everything else in life. And then with that approach, you basically want to give him a little breathing room, but you don't want to reward him too much or he'll be lazy, just like the taxi video, where I see that video. It's more in depth. Also, guys, check out the rest of my channel. I've got convolutional neural networks, a lot of data science stuff. You name it, I got it. Clouds on Google, deployments on Google Cloud, ML Azure deployments, getting models approved for production with SageMaker pipelines, deploying models itself. You name it, I got it. Check out the channel. Also, guys, if you find this video is useful or any of my others, feel free to share it. Also, be advised, my channel also has anything you can think of. There's 126 other videos, so feel free to check out the others. Also, let's get started. Okay, so you import Jim, you make the environment. Well, technically you're loading it, but that's the commands. Okay, so here's where we get into it. Okay, the action space and the observation space. You guys see it's the same range, obviously, right? Only on opposite indexes of -1 and 1. And you guys see here, right, 6? That would be the maximum. Although that's a shape, we can implement that into here with the maximum. MB actions equals action space. And if you guys want to do something creative, you guys can also add an end and do the observation space as well. You guys can pass that parameter right here. Like, this is the code for doing this, right? Or you guys can pass another number. So anyways, install Pygame, environment reset, the previous screen equals the RGB array, PLT IM show the previous screen, in this episode in the range, -1, remember that index, NB actions is less than 0, else 5 because of the range, reward info, and then we display it all the way down there. However, if you guys want to apply some of my code and then visualize it right here, check out my other video. You guys want to do something like this? You guys can put something else here too. Like, let's see what it does. The thumbnail is basically what you saw with the other code, as well as what you saw earlier. You know, what the Acrobot was doing. Anyways, you see? So guys, if you guys want to do the deep Q learning, apply my last video to this one as needed and display it with this code right here. Pass the correct parameters right there. Or you guys can play with it like this and then see if you guys can do it better than me. You guys might want to also add observation space into the action space as well. You see? Do a little Boolean logic. See how good you can get. Now, the reason why I didn't want to get too serious with this game is, come on, it's Acrobot, you know? So, if you guys want to apply Deep Q to my last, also, just to let you know, if you guys want to apply reinforcement learning to real life situations, I've got a video for that, reinforcement learning for trading on Yahoo. Check out my one of my earlier videos nearly 2 years ago. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed already and you guys are regular seeing my videos, feel free to subscribe. Also, share it with anybody else who might like it. And if you guys like my video, hit like. Feel free. And I want you guys to leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what kind of videos you guys might want me to make. Because I'm here to make videos for my audience, you know? So it'd be nice if I got some more input. I've gotten input before from some people, but the input's kind of stopped lately. I guess because I've done a little of everything. But having said that, you guys should check out my channel more in depth. There's 126 other videos. If you're here already, I'm sure there's something else you need. And also, guys, remember, change this parameter as well. Or apply the code from the last video. And just so you know, if you guys want to go off and do one on your own, you guys have seen some of my other videos. You might need to install some libraries for some of these. However, pass, let's say it's taxi, right? Pass it right there. Okay. Sometimes you have to delete the dot environment. Sometimes you leave it there. It's all up to it all depends on the environment and the program and what you're trying to pass. You guys can also do pendulum as well. Frozen Lake, I've heard a lot that that's having some issues. Anyways, guys, next video, I think I haven't decided what I'm going to do or if I'm going to take a break or not. Now, let's say somebody comments and tells me what they want and I can do it. You, Here's the thing, if you guys want an ML pipeline on Google Cloud, that takes up too much cloud usage. So, therefore, it's got to be something cost efficient unless I get more subscribers. I've already done plenty of pipelines. Anyways, guys, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned, and thank you for tuning in.